And what about Genie? AI, BI, Genie.
AI, BI. I always don't remember. Is it AI, BI or BI, AI?
AI, BI.
Yeah, I think it's time for Databricks to enter BI like more seriously. Yes. Also, to be honest, honestly, Microsoft is like monopolist with Power BI, and now they are changing license terms to make it more expensive. So I really would like to have Databricks BI app, which I install on my desktop, which can be even embedded version of Databricks dashboards, and then I can show it to business. There is Databricks BI, and you can make BI with Databricks. You don't need to buy another tools. Yes. Yeah, I really would love
Yeah,
to
but I think
that approach.
for like the think as AI BI dashboards or Genie
Yeah,
were introduced, we are not here like to replace Power BI, Tableau,
yeah, of
any
course,
other
of
tool.
course.
I think the goal here was more to offer a platform where they can use AI to have insights quickly. Like you're, I don't know, you're a CTO or you're a CIO, you want to just have an idea what was like your, I don't know, sales last year, or I don't know, a comparison between those. You just need to go and ask the question, revenue by product for the last 10 years, and you have this nice UI, nice chart displayed in front of you and like instantly. And this is cool because you don't need to rely on data analysts to build this query for you because you just thought about it and you want to add it to a specific slide, or just for a manager to understand what's wrong with the business and how they can solve the problem. I think the goal is was the goal with AI BI was more to democratize access to data and AI to non-technical folks. And this is, I think, this is where we are leaning to go with this text to SQL.
Yeah,
Basically.
but non-technical folks always come to you and say, create for us a dashboard using that self-service software. Yes, so in practice, it's working like a bit differently, in my opinion. Yes,
But I
that
think
yeah,
if we have APIs with Genie, for
yeah.
example, you can maybe, I don't know, build an application on, I don't know, Databricks apps. This is something we introduced 1 year ago called Lakehouse Apps. Now it has been rebranded to Databricks app. It's like you can add a Streamlit application or any or Gradio application where, for example, you can just use the API to ask a question, and then it send the I don't know, a graph to show the results. Like, and you can add it, I don't know, to a web application, or this Databricks app. So we have options. The roadmap is currently now shaped, and I'm keen to see how this AI BI Genie will evolve. But so far, I tried it 3 months ago, and I was amazed. You know what I did? I downloaded an open data set, and I just I upload this manually to Databricks, created the table, and I generated the comments automatically with the AI generates. And then I opened like Genie and start asking questions. Said, okay, please show me all the chargers available in Île-de-France, which is let's say the region in France. And it did understand automatically that when it's Île-de-France, those are the postal code, and it's filtered automatically with all the available postal codes.
Mhm.
So I don't know them by heart, but the Genie generate this automatically for me and give me the results. Say, okay, flip on those three, like on the results I get, aggregate them by companies and filter out the companies that doesn't exist, like not doesn't exist, but the null values, and it automatically excluded the null values, and like showed me the result, and it was like so fast, and that was good. I mean, I was really amazed. And of course, more insight you add with this information on the metadata, like
Yeah,
more
yeah.
accurate the results.
Actually,
Was good.
probably like problem with AI and LLM was that it was built not to like as a large language model, not the model to see the data, yes, a whole table inside. So I think the next steps will be that integrating more LLMs model with not metadata but with real data, yes, because it could use like samples or something like this. Some even in packets in some files you have this min max values, yes, the headers, yes, and this Gen AI could read it, yes, because when you have good metadata and field description is easy, but sometimes I see in many like clients that they have like this the name of the fields which no one understands what is it, yes, like XYZ, yes, or something like this, okay, because it's some company internal symbol code, yes, and there is no comment with
Or it's an
description.
encrypted column.
Yeah. So sometimes it's difficult, but it's evolving, and in my opinion, thanks like to feedback from customers, it can evolve and be better. Yes, and then it's executing that queries, of course, on SQL Warehouse. So all this improvement to SQL Warehouse are also important for this Genie BI AI, yes, part, yes, because it's utilizing SQL Warehouse under the hood, so it's utilizing the caching and all these advantages.